Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys what color you wanted me to dye my hair, and the consensus was you wanted me to try out the Clairol Color Crave in purple. So this is the Brilliant Amethyst color right here. So first it says you need to have dry hair. So I do not have dry hair, so let's go ahead. So now we're gonna dry our hair. So we are back. So now it says you need to shake the tube before you use. So now let's open it up. Sorry if this angle is weird. Okay, so we're gonna shake the tube. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Squeeze tube until color appears on the sponge. Okay. Squeeze. Here's the color. Okay. Oh shoot, it's dripping. Okay. So let's try this out, Scarlett.
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna dye her hair purple.
Yeah.
But don't worry, guys. This washes out. It's not gonna stay purple. So I think I will just make my own. Okay. Here we go.
You're gonna dye your hair purple?
I'm dyeing my hair purple. Okay.
Wow.
So I'm just adding
Purple!
I'm just making my own balayage of purple. You can totally do this if you're doing like a unicorn costume or like a pony costume. You can add in the pink if you wanted to. But you guys...
Pink is my favorite color!
Yeah, you guys said you wanted to see purple on me, so I am testing this out for you guys. Okay, so now, let's see. Honestly, this is so easy just to apply, but if you wanted to get really fancy with it, you could use like a brush applicator with it. So now you add it on, and then you blow dry to lock in the color. And then it washes out with shampoo. So, okay, let's dry. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do some more. Okay. So I'm just gliding this on. I'm just, you know, no real technique really. I'm just painting it on. Just making streaks here. Now we're going to add this into our piping bag, and we're going to use the tube and piping nozzle. Spoon the icing into the bag.
Mommy, are you wearing purple hair now?
Yep, Mommy's going to have purple hair.
Now it's time to ice our cookies.
Mommy, you can do it.
I'm using a spatula to
Thank you.
Mommy,
Mommy's going to have unicorn hair.
just like so.
unicorn hair
Uh-huh.
in the shape of purple.
Yep.
I'm doing lots of little dots.
And my
This
unicorn
creates
is
great texture.
Mommy, are you gonna have unicorn hair?
It's getting everywhere, so just be careful of that, but it should wash out just fine.
It's getting on your hand, Mommy.
It is. It's getting everywhere.
Yeah.
All on my white cabinets. That's why you wear a shirt that you don't care about when it comes to dyeing. Oh man.
You have to wash your
It's
hair.
purple everywhere. Okay.
And I'm doing
Okay, so I'm going to do the bulk of it on my top layer because that's going to be where you're going to see it the most, but I just wanted to have a little bit peeking underneath. So yeah, now I'm going to go, I'm going to keep doing this thing. Let's do this.
So let's get started. First,
Longer.
Yep. Okay, Mommy's really going to go heavy-handed on the top here. I'm just going to paint this on.
Pink, pink.
Watch out, Britt. I'm coming to Baltimore and we're going to do hair together.
Hair
make sure that
together.
all the ingredients
Yes.
are mixed together.
All right, Mommy's getting more purple in here.
delicious.
So I'm really putting it on my lighter ends because I think that's how it's gonna pop up the best. Because all my underneath hair is all of my natural color, which is like a dirty blonde. Ash dirty blonde is my natural hair color. Which I'm actually debating on just not dyeing my hair anymore and just having my natural color come out, because I think that that's what I have to, that in combination of, I think that with the combination of prenatal vitamins and taking hair and nail supplements have really helped my hair thicken up. So let me know if I should stop dyeing my hair and just let my natural hair grow. I'm sure my husband would agree to that, because then we wouldn't be spending money on hair treatments.
Lightly dust your work surface, and now using a rolling pin.
Okay, here we go. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be so much fun. You guys, step outside of the box and try something new. Try something fun. Even if you're going to, like, I don't know, my younger viewers, you're going to like a nightclub or something, comment below if you guys are in like your early 20s. I'm just curious where my viewership is. If you're in your early 20s and you're starting your clubbing days, let me know.
My hair pink.
You want your hair pink?
Yeah.
Well, maybe mommy will get you pink ones next time. Okay, so we're really seeing this purple come through. Oh man. Oh man, mommy's about to have purple hair, Scarlett.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Longer.
Pop them in the oven at 180
Longer. Do right over
Now we're going to
here.
make the icing.
Mama.
Add a dash of water to some icing sugar. Give it a
Do
good stir.
over here. Do it over.
Okay, you guys, so I am done with the application and this is the final product. So there's just a small like hue of lavender purple. It's not a lot, it's just a small little hue of it. You can see it here. It really didn't get my underneath hairs because like I said, this is my natural hair color underneath, so it's like a really dark ashy blonde. So it really didn't pick up my darker hairs, but it did pick up some of my lighter strands. So it just kind of has like this lavender like tint to it. So it's definitely not like full-blown purple. So if you're going for like a full-blown purple effect, this isn't the product for you. But you know, if you want to, you know, throw this in, if you're going in for like if you're going for a unicorn look or like a My Little Pony look, I don't know what look you're gonna go for. You could, you know, put some purple in your hair, go out with an umbrella and you could be Purple Rain. I don't know, you could dress all in purple and then go out as Purple Rain. I don't know. But definitely you don't get the box. And I'm surprised that the box actually looks this way because this girl has really dark hair and it says that it is, well, it says it's good for dark to light hair. So on my blonde hair, this is what it came out to. It kind of looks kind of like a muted pink, almost like a muted dark pink, but I wouldn't say it's purple. It kind of blow dried out to more of like a pinkish fuchsia-ish type color. But you know what? I think that it looks really cute if you do like a little wave into your hair, a little, you know, throw your heat tools in. But yeah, this is the final look. So if you guys want to check this out and try it out for Halloween, or maybe you're going out to a, I don't know, a nightclub, Vegas, I don't know, and you just want, you're feeling fancy and you want to put some sort of temporary color in your hair, then hey, why not? Try it out. Do something new, try it out. Yeah, so this was pretty fun to do. It was pretty easy, but I didn't like the excess heat that I had to put on my hair to get the color to come out. But overall, I think this product was pretty fun. You're definitely not going to get the look that you see on the box. Not from this product. My guess is this girl on the box didn't actually use the product. I think that that's probably a different type of purple hair color because yeah, that's just my guess, and they just put her on the box with purple hair, but she didn't actually use the purple product. That's just my guess. I think all in all, this is pretty fun, and what I love about this is it washes out with shampoo. So once I wash my hair, this is going to be gone. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want me to be your test bunny for some other products, and I would be happy to do that. So sorry if you clicked on this video and you're expecting my hair to be completely purple. It's not, but gotcha guys, right? Sort of. I usually don't clickbait, but this time I did. I'm sorry, forgive me. I kind of slightly clickbaited you guys, but I know you guys love me anyway. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you guys tried this product out and let me know how your final product came out too. So I will talk to you guys all later.